Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and enabling Developer Options. Tap build number 7 times until you see the confirmation. Next, turn on USB debugging and OEM unlock if the process requires system changes, because those permissions let tools communicate with your device. Make sure your Oppo is charged above 50% and create a quick backup of launcher setups, wallpapers, and any theme data. This avoids data loss. Once done, connect with a reliable USB cable and confirm the PC recognizes the phone. You now install the Flux theme files and the supporting tools on your computer. First, fetch the official Flux package or a compatible theme file like MTZ. Keep it in a dedicated folder for clarity. Then install ADB and, if needed for your chipset, SB Flash or the vendor manager, because those utilities perform the actual push and flash. Put your Oppo into the correct mode, Fast Boot for most or MTK for media tech phones, and verify the device appears in the tool with the list or device command before proceeding. You flash the Flux theme using the selected tool. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully and never disconnect mid-process because interruptions can brick the UI. When flashing finishes, reboot the phone and inspect icons, fonts, and system colors. Make sure transitions and widgets render correctly. If you encounter visual glitches, clear cache or cached data in settings, then reboot again. If problems persist, restore your backup or reflash the original stock theme or firmware. This recovers the device. Tip: keep logs and screenshots to diagnose persistent errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.